Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your science sample paper with solutions.
UKG practice sample papers. Alright, so our first question is, what is this colorful arc we see after it rains? Okay, so is it option A, rainbow, or option B, rain drops coming out of the clouds? But they are saying it's colorful arc. So the answer is A, rainbow. Second question, what covers the sky and hides the sun? Can you see the picture? Yes. What is it hiding? What's hiding the sun? Is it wind or B, cloud? Yes, it's cloud. Question number 3. What bright and quick flash appears during a storm? Is it option A or option B? Can you see the option B, children? It's showing sun. And in option A is lightning. Yeah. So you are very smart. Your answer is correct. It's A. The quick flash appears during a storm. Okay? Next question. What falls from the sky and looks like ice balls? So, is it option A, hail, or option B, rain? Just see the picture carefully, children. Are they looking like water droplets? No, they are the ice balls and they are called hail. So, you are correct, children. The answer is hail. Next question. Which part of the body do we use to blink and keep clean from dust? Can you blink your ears? No, you can't blink your ears. So, you have to blink your eyes to remove all the dust. And how do we remove the dust from the eyes? By blinking it. Okay? Just blink your eyes and see all the dust is coming out. Okay? So answer is B. I know you all are very smart children and you're doing it very nicely and quickly. I'm proud of you. Next question. Which part of the body helps us enjoy the scent of flowers? So can you smell with your mouth or with your teeth? No. We smell with our nose. Can you just breathe in? Take a deep breath in and you breathe with your nose, not with your teeth. So you're right. The answer is B. Next question. What part of the body helps us chew crunchy food? Which part of the body helps us to chew crunchy food? Yes. Is it tongue? Can you chew with your tongue? No. We chew with our correct. We chew with our teeth. And you chew all your favorite things your candies, all the fruits, the guava and apples. How do we chew and how do we bite? With our teeth, not by with our tongue. So yes, you are right. The answer is A. Next question. What part of the body helps us hug someone? So how do you hug anybody? Do we hug with our eye? No, we don't hug with our eye. We hug with our arms, with our hands. Okay? So the answer is not A. The answer is B. My smart children are doing very nicely. Next question. Which vehicle has two wheels and does not need fuel? Okay, so let us think. What is a fuel? Fuel we need to run our vehicle. But tell me one thing, do you need fuel in the bicycle to run? No, we need fuel for auto rickshaw, for cars, for trucks, for even scooters, right? So we need fuels to run those vehicles. But do we need fuel for cycle? No, we don't need. Okay. So which vehicle has two wheels and does not need fuel? You're right. Amazing job, children. Very good. Okay. Next question. Question number 10. Which vehicle runs on four wheels and is driven on roads? All right. So let's see. Option A says car and option B says aeroplane. So aeroplane flies in the air, but does it runs on the road? No, it flies in the air. So, and it also has two wheels. Aeroplane. It does run on the road at the time of takeoff and landing, but not usually. You don't see plane driving. You can't drive plane on the roads. Okay, it's driven in the air. Correct. Fantastic. So, which vehicle runs on four wheels and is driven on road? You're right, a car. Let's move on to our question number 11. Which vehicle travels to space? Now, is it option A, truck, or is it option B, rocket? I know you all are smart children and you all know that it's rocket. Very good, children. And I'm so happy that you know it. Which vehicle moves? Our next question, 12 number. Which vehicle moves underwater to explore the sea? So, option A says a ship, and option B says, what is this, children? It's a submarine. You know, submarine runs inside, it moves inside deep water in the sea, and it can see all the happenings and activities that is happening inside the water, deep inside the water. So our options are ship or submarine. Underwater is always submarine, children, because ship moves on the water, but submarine moves under the water. So our answer is option B, submarine. Next question, question number 13. Which season is cold and has snow? So, in which season do you feel cold and you feel like wearing sweaters and you don't like to get up from the cozy blankets? Which is that? Yes, it's winter. And what do we do in the summer season, children? We feel very hot because it's very sunny outside. The sun is on its peak. So we feel hot in summers and we feel cold, and some places it's has snow also. So that happens in the winter season. So our answer is option A, winter. And you all are doing amazing job, children. Question number 14. In which season do trees have colorful flowers? Okay, so tell me, in which season do we have colorful flowers? Is it option A, autumn, or option B, spring? Which season do trees have colorful flowers? Of course, it's spring. We get lots of colorful flowers in spring season. In autumn season, the leaves comes out down and there are no flowers in autumn season. But in spring season, we see lots of colorful flowers and leaves, and it's so beautiful. Our nature is very beautiful, children, and we should save our nature. Okay, now next question is question number 15. In which season do we see dry leaves everywhere? In which season do we see dry leaves everywhere, children? Is it summer or autumn? Just now I told you that in autumn season, we in this autumn season, the leaves are very much dried and they come down, they're fallen down. So dry leaves are always happening. They're coming, and you see dry leaves everywhere in autumn season. The answer is autumn. Okay. Next is, in which season can we often see rainbows after rain? In which season, children, we see rainbows after rain? Can you tell me what are rainbows? Rainbows are rainbow. It's a combination of seven colors, right? And what do we say? It's, see the picture. How beautiful it is, isn't it? So pretty, beautiful nature. So the question is, in which season can we often see rainbow after rain? In which season, children? Do we see rainbow in winter season? No, we see rainbow in the spring season. Amazing job. You all are doing nicely, very nicely. Okay, next is, which animal is known as the ship of the desert? So, children, our option A is camel, option B is elephant. You tell me which is the answer. Ship of the desert, of course, camel. Do you know why, children? Because in the desert, you have to walk, and it's difficult for us to walk over there. But camels have different types of feet. They can walk there, and also they can store water for a very long time, because you know what is a desert? We get very little rain in desert, and desert is always dried. So only those animals can survive there which can stay without water for a very long time. So camel has this capacity of staying without water for a long time. So answer is camel, and that's why it is called as ship of the desert. Next question, question number 18. Which bird is colorful and dances in the rain? Oh, it's so pretty. The peacock is looking so pretty and colorful. And which bird is this? Cow, 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 cow. It's correct. It's a crow. Is the crow looking colorful? No, because crow has black color. Okay, but peacock, peacock is colorful and it dances in the rain and it's so pretty. It opens its feathers. And if you have ever seen a peacock in the rain or somewhere, you must be knowing how pretty and how beautiful it looks. So the option is A, crow, and B is peacock. And our answer is, you're right. It's peacock. Peacock is a bird which is colorful and it dances in the rain. All right. Our next question. Which animal carries its baby in a pouch? Is it option A or is it option B? Now, with the picture only you can understand, because you can see that the baby is looking so cute in the pouch. This is the pouch of a kangaroo, and it's looking so pretty. So this is a beautiful nature again. Kangaroo has a pouch for its baby, and this is a squirrel. Can you see any pouch? No. So the answer is A. Kangaroos have pouch for its babies to carry it. All right? Okay. Next question is, which is the largest animal that lives in water? Is it A, shark, or B, whale? Do you know, children? Whales are very big, huge animal, and they live in the water. So the options are shark and whale. So our answer is B, whale. Okay. What can we do with an empty jar instead of wasting it? What do we can do, children? Should we burn the jar or should we compost the bin? We should compost the bin, right? So answer is A. Next, what is a creative way to use old cardboard boxes? Children, what you should do with the old cardboard boxes? Should you just tear it out and throw it in the dustbin? Or you should be creative. You should do something with the cardboard. See, this is a cardboard. It comes many a times your mama calls some parcel, some product comes online, and this is your stuff comes, mama's cosmetics or anything, clothes comes in such a type of boxes. So what should you do? You should just take it and just throw it in the dustbin, or you should do some artwork. What artwork? You can just cut it in a square shape and you can make beautiful cards for your teachers, for your friends, family members, or some small box you can make or something. You should use your old stuff, these kind of the boxes and all. You should not throw them. So make art or craft or tear them up. Of course, not tearing it, and we will use it and create it and give it a special new look. Okay? 23. Which of the following materials can be recycled? Can you recycle paper or apple? No, if y- if the apple is rotten, if it gets spoiled, you can't use it, right? But paper, of course, we can use the paper. So we can always use paper, and you should not waste paper, children. It's made out of wood, and we should really not waste paper. Peter is turning a piece of old clothing into a fashionable bag. Which of the 10 rupees is he practicing? Peter is turning a piece of old clothing into a fashionable bag. See, Peter is such a sweet boy who's using the old piece of cloth and making it a fashionable bag. He's using it, it's not throwing it, right? And it's not wasting the cloth. Which of the 10 rupees is he practicing? Reducing or reusing? Of course, he's not reducing it, he is reusing it. He is giving it a new look. That old clothing is of no use. But if Peter is making it in a fashionable, special, nice bag, of course, it's reusable. So, that is always better to reuse things rather than throwing them. What your next question? Question number 25. What natural material helps in making compost? All right. So, what do you mean by compost? Children, compost means um, all the dead plants and dead animals that that are composed, that are mixed in the soil, and the soil becomes very good for the plants growth. Okay. um, all the garbage also, sometimes the peel of the fruits and vegetables, that also, you know, is very good for the good soil, to make the soil healthy for growing the plants. So, what is the question? What natural material helps in making compost? Dry leaves or glass bottles? Of course, dry leaves. Okay. Next question, question number 26. What does compost help plants do? Grow strong and healthy or turn yellow? Just now, children, I told you what compost means. So, of course, compost helps the plants to grow strong and healthy. Next is, which of these can decompose and turn into compost? Banana peel or aluminium can? Children, can you make a good soil with aluminium can? No. We can decompose all the dead plants, animals, the dried leaves, the peel of bananas, the peels of all the other fruits and vegetables in a compost. So, you're right, children. The answer is A. All right. Next question. Which waste should not go in the compost bin? Which waste should not go? Should you put all these toxic, dangerous oils in the compost? No. How will a plant grow with bad, toxic oils and chemicals? No. You should never throw them. Answer is A. All the, can you see, children? The peels of vegetables, this is beetroot and carrots and the banana peels and this capsicum. These are, this makes compost bin. Okay, children? not the toxic ones. Okay, next question. Question 29. What part of the body tells the child that the ice cream is sweet? Now, this is your favorite. I know you can tell me nicely and quickly because you all love ice cream. I know that. So, which part of your body tells the ice cream is sweet? Can you taste it from your nose? No. You taste it with your tongue. So, answer is B, tongue. Fantastic job, children. We have reached till question number 30 and 10 more questions to go. Okay. Which part of the body helps the child see the colorful sky during a sunset? Can you see from your ears, children? No, we see from our eyes. So the answer is A, eyes. Awesome. Next. Which part of the body helps the child hear the baby crying? How will you hear that the baby's crying? Will you hear from your mouth, from your teeth, or will you hear it from your ears? Amazing job, children. Yes, it's ears. Very good, children. Very nice. You all are doing great job, and I'm so happy. Next question. What part of the body helps the child enjoy the smell of pizza? What part of the body helps the child enjoy the smell of pizza? Can you smell with your eyes or you smell with your nose? Of course, nose. So the answer is B, nose. Very good. Let's move on to our next question. Question number 33. Which little creature has colorful wings and loves flowers? What is this, children? It's a honeybee. And what is this, children? This is a butterfly. Okay. Now, no, this is not a honeybee. This is it's showing the uh, antennae. It's a mosquito. And this is a butterfly. So, which creature has colorful wings and loves flowers? Of course, it's butterfly. Butterfly. And how the butterflies, how it turns into butterflies. First, they were the caterpillars. The caterpillar eat a lot of food, and then it becomes very, very heavy and very fat, and it goes and sleep inside the cocoon, and then the cocoon after sometimes becomes a beautiful colorful butterfly. Okay, so next question. Which little creature is red with black spots? Is it A, ladybug, or B, caterpillar? You can see the caterpillar is looking green, a very happy caterpillar, right? But our answer is ladybug. It has red and black spots. So our answer is red. Our answer is A, ladybug. Which little creature lives in the soil and helps plants grow? Is it A, rat, or B, worm? It is worm, okay? Not worm, because some children speak wrong. So that's why I have corrected them. It's worm, B, and it helps the soil becomes healthy. Plants grow very quickly, fast. Okay, now next question is question number 36. 4 more to go. Okay, so which little creature carries its home on its back? Is it snail A, snail, or B, ant? Of course, it's A, snail. It carries its home on its back, and if it finds any enemy or any danger, it goes inside that cocoon, that strong shell of its, and it goes inside it. So, A, snail. Question 37. Which mode of transport is this? Is it a air transport or land transport? I know you all are very smart children and you'll tell me quickly that it is a air transport. Sorry. So the answer is A, air transport, because it's a helicopter, and helicopter runs in the air. It flies in the air. Okay. Which season does the picture represent? What is this and what are the people doing here? It's a picture of a beach, and are they wearing sweaters or are they feeling cold? No, they all are wearing beach clothes because it's very hot and sunny. And when it's very hot and sunny, in which season, children? You're right, it's summer season. They are not carrying any umbrellas. So it's not a rainy season. It's not raining also. Umbrella is here, but it is covering and it is saving the girl from the scorching heat, but not from the rains. So it's a summer season, children. Next, this sense organ helps us to, what is it, children? This is a, what is it? This is an eye. And this sense organ helps us to sight or smell. Of course, sight. Awesome. Okay. The last question of this sample paper. What's the weather like? Is it stormy or foggy? I'll zoom it out for you, children. Tell me, is it stormy or is it foggy? Of course, it's stormy. Such a um, dark night with storms and raindrops, right? It's raining heavily with storm. Can you see? So, our answer is A. And you all did a great job, children. And I'm very happy that we have completed our first sample paper with 40 questions. Okay, take care. Bye bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.